Hey guys, welcome back to another video on at 7, and today we are in our grandpa's Mazda, and his Mazda key is a square. And the Mazda type. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm riding in the Mazda, and we are doing good right now. This is the Louisville High School. Yeah, there we go. There's a Corvette right there.
Yeah, there's a Mustang.
Where?
There.
There's a Mustang.
Down right here.
Oh boy. If we hit 5,000 likes, we'll take another ride in this. 1,000 likes. We'll take this again up road. Make sure to subscribe, okay? Okay. Watching you. Make sure to hit the like button. Oh, big bump. There's a nice house. That's out.